What if the biggest gains in your business didn't come from one big project or one expensive consultant, but from hundreds of tiny fixes made by your own team every single week? That's continuous improvement. The habit of making small, steady changes that add up to a real difference over time. It's built on 4 ideas. Small steps, meaning lots of tiny improvements rather than one giant leap. Everyone involved, so the people who do the work help improve the work. Never finished, because there's always a next small win to find. And customer focus, because better means better for the people you actually serve. Continuous improvement works for any team, at any level, and you don't need a transformation program or a specialist to get started. Here's a simple example. A cafe notices customers waiting too long for takeaway coffee. The team just moves the milk and lids next to the till. Service speeds up the same day. Next week, they look for the next small win. That is continuous improvement in action. Small changes, made consistently by real people, are what move a business forward. That's exactly what this course will show you how to do.